Hello everyone, welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. So today I'm sharing with you this simple, easy recipe I found for banana bread. If you want to see how I achieve this, then let's do it. I must pause right here to acknowledge the presence of my people. To those of you who are always coming back, I love you. God bless you. You are and forever will be my MVP. To my brand new subscribers, you are welcome and God bless you too. To those of you who are just watching, and I know that you are enjoying this video will be useful to you. Please consider subscribing and be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you and to continue watching. To donate to this channel, please check out one of the links in the description box below. God bless you and thank you in advance. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Please give it a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. Don't forget to check out the description box now. Everything will be listed there for you. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to hit the notification bell. God bless you. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.